Hello everybody, my name is Rita and this is Rita's Alteration and Clothing Design. So today is April 15, 2020. Everybody sit at home, quarantine, coronavirus. So I'm tired of this. I don't have a job. So I decided to do design for kids, for young toddlers and for young teenagers. So I'm not sure what I will sewing yet, because I do have pattern and I don't do my own pattern. I just remake that pattern to my own, and I will design and I will put some here and there, some different details. And also I have Viking embroidery sewing machine, and all my design will be with embroidery. So I will do embroidery on my clothes. So I have fabric like this, and I have very good fabric here, all of them from New York, and I bought them from some woman who was bought them in New York, and then she don't do anything with it. I just bought all this from her, and I think it's a good deal for me. First of all, I don't travel to New York City. So here I have pieces, and this is also beautiful fabric. I'll just start to show to you what I have, and then I will just pick some and I will just continue to make dresses. I don't think I have anything for boys yet, but I will check. I have so much fabric. So of course I did wash all fabric because they've been in New York, they've been in that woman's basement. I just want to be honest with you. So much of this, and it's very nice, beautiful fabric for summertime. Not sure what this is all about. This is very, I don't even know how this is fabric whole. It's very light, but I think when you walk, it's just give it to you. It's glued to your body. I don't know. We'll see. So something like this. Yeah, I have a lots of them. It's just some of them. So I love this one. It's so beautiful, and I think maybe I will put this on the side, and then I will make something for myself. I love it. So this is what I have, black and yellow with white, and I have three of them. So this is, I don't know, maybe I should make a face mask. All this beautiful fabrics. So this very nice too, very beautiful. Yeah, another one, black, white and yellow. Maybe I will make some this is on the black and yellow. I will do this special collection with this yellow and black and white color. So this is another beautiful, and this is the last one. It's more like for rain fabric, like I can make coat, beautiful coat. I have a mirror in there. So for now it's that's it. Too much fabric, but let me start work on it, and I'll just show to you what I choose from the pattern. What can I pattern I choose, and then I will remake this, or I just add some to this, and then I will start to do dresses, and then I'll post them on the Facebook. So wish me luck. I'm not sure how many pieces I will do, but again, today is April 15, 2020, and I'm bored, like I don't even say bad words, but I really bored and I need to do something. So I will going to do my own fashion, okay, in my beautiful basement here. So this is my lovely sewing machine. I will start to sewing. I mean, first cut, then sewing, and then I'll just make a picture and just post on a Facebook as a picture, and then the video will be put on a YouTube and on my Rita's Alteration and Clothing Designer. Thank you for watching. See you soon.